Good morning. In the previous class, we had learned ledger posting from other subsidiary books. Now we will learn ledger posting from journal with the help of this illustration 3. This is the journal we will use for learning ledger posting from journal. Let us make a list of the ledger accounts that we need to make from this journal. See, in first entry, cash account, then bank account, then capital account 3. Fourth is furniture, cash we have already listed. Then fifth is purchases. Sixth, Kirti. Then seventh, sales. Cash already listed, then discount allowed. Kirti already listed. So 8 ledger accounts we require for this question. So note down this question of journal and make 8 formats of ledger. Made? Okay. Let's see how we post in ledger from journal. First entry is cash account debit. So in ledger of cash account, we will write on debit side. What will we write? Because of which account cash is being debited. We will see which account is credited in this entry, capital account. So in cash account, debit side, we will write to capital account. 2021 April 1 to capital account, but amount we will write which is against cash account only, 5 lakh. So to capital account 5 lakh on debit side in cash account. Now similarly, bank account debit 55 lakh. So on debit side of bank account, what will we write? We will write to capital account, but amount we will write that is against bank account 55 lakh. So in bank account 1st April 21 to capital account 55 lakh. Now next in journal entry, it is written to capital account. To means credit. So in capital account, we have to post this on the credit side. But what will we write in particulars? Capital account is getting credited because of 2 accounts, cash account and bank account. So we will write both of them separately, right? We cannot write 60 lakh at one go because it is being credited because of 2 accounts. So we will have to write it separately. So capital account credit side, we will write 1st April 21 by cash account 5 lakh and by bank account 55 lakh. And now this complete entry is posted. I hope it is clear. Now let's move to the next entry. Furniture account debit to cash account 60,000. So in furniture account, which side will it come? Yes, debit side. And what will we write? To cash account. So 4th April 21 to cash account 60,000. And since cash account is being credited in the entry, in cash account we will post on the credit side now. And what will we write? We will write buy furniture account. So in cash account, credit side, 4th April 21, buy furniture account, 60,000. And this entry is also posted. Now let us look at the next entry, purchases account debit to cash account. So in purchases account, on which side will we write? Debit side. What will we write? To cash account. Date is 14th April 21. To cash account, 80,000. And in cash account, since cash account is being credited in this entry, in cash account, we will write on the credit side by purchases account, 80,000, 14th April. Now let's move to the next entry. Kirti debit to sales account 90,000. So in Kirti's account on debit side, we will write to sales account 90,000. Date is 16th April 21. And in sales account on which side? Yes, on credit side, we will write by Kirti 90,000, 16th April. Then cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Kirti, next entry. So in cash account debit side, we will write to Kirti. But the amount which is written against cash in the entry, 89,500. Date is 21st. Similarly, in discount allowed account on debit side, again we will write to Kirti, amount 500, that is against discount allowed, 21st April 21. And in Kirti's account, on which side will we write? Right, on the credit side. But we cannot write this 90,000 at one go. We'll have to show the bifurcation because it is being credited because of these two accounts. So in Kirti's account, credit side, date 21st April 21, by cash account 89,500 and by discount allowed account 500. हो गई लेजर पोस्टिंग जर्नल से, so simple. Now we will close the accounts. Since we are given transactions for the month of April, these are not year ending transactions. 31st March की closing नहीं है. So Nominal accounts or accounts of incomes, gains, losses, expenses, we will leave open. Other accounts, permanent accounts, we will close. Cash account is an asset, permanent account. So we will find out its balance. Let's see. On debit side, we have 5,89,500 total. On credit side, we have 60 plus 80, 1,40,000. So find out the difference. The difference is 4,49,500. Since credit side is short, we have written it over here. Date 21st, the last transaction date that we are given in the question. Buy balance carried down 4,49,500. Then write total on both sides. And on debit side, on next day, that is 22nd, to balance brought down 4,49,500. Now coming to bank. Bank account is again asset account. It is a permanent account. It is a personal account. तो इसकी भी closing हम करेंगे, balance carried down, brought down. There is only one amount on debit side, 55 lakh, nothing on credit side. So on credit side, we will write 21st April 21, buy balance carried down 55 lakh, then total on both sides. And then on debit side, 22nd April, to balance brought down 55 lakh. Written. Okay, now capital account. Capital account is again a permanent account, personal account. So this will also be closed. There is no amount on debit side. On credit side, we have two amounts. The total is 60 lakh. So on debit side, we will write 21st April 21, to balance carried down 60 lakh. Then total on both sides. And then on credit side, 22nd April, buy balance brought down 60 lakh. Now furniture account, again an asset, again a permanent account, real account. So this also will be closed using balance carried down, brought down. So on credit side, we will write 21st April 21, buy balance carried down 60,000, then total on both sides. And then on debit side, 22nd April, to balance brought down 60,000. Now next account is purchases account. It is an expense. It is a temporary account. It's a nominal account. So since year ending date is not there, we will leave it open like this. Next is Kirti. Again a permanent account, personal account. Okay. So we will close it. On debit side, amount is 90,000. On credit side, there are two amounts, 89,500 and 500. And the total is 90,000. Since both debit and credit totals are same, there is no balance left in this account. So we will simply write totals on both sides. 90,000. Then sales account and discount allowed, both are nominal accounts, temporary accounts. Sales is an income, it is a revenue. Discount allowed is an expense. And since year ending closing is not there, we will leave these accounts like this only. So this is how ledger posting from journal and then closing is done. Clear? Now you will do ledger posting from any other journal that you have made to further clarify this concept in homework. That's all for today. Thank you.